Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. From Intra MCC portal, the seat matrix for NEET PG All India Counseling 2022 for All India quota, AMU, okay, and other central universities and deemed universities. These data got leaked and is getting floated over Telegram groups. And regarding that, I wanted to create a short video. I'll create a detailed video also. How many seats are there branch wise? Okay. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it. And our paid counseling guidance is still available, and you can go ahead and if you have doubt or like if you want assistance, then you can avail our paid counseling guidance. So for that, you can call us on the number given in the description 9319128677. So it's part of process. First of all, the seat matrix gets uploaded on Intra MCC. Okay, last year they had given access to all the candidates, but this year it's not available on public platform. Okay, only the college body can access it because they will have their credentials, and it need to be verified by the college side, and then only it will be open to candidates, and which will be published on MCC website. Okay, so in this format, you can see uh, for a state, they have given uh, course name and seats. Okay, they haven't mentioned the category here. It will be mentioned over MCC portal, but I have done the analysis, okay, before creating this video, and did kind of comparison from the last year. So last year, in the round one, total number of all India quota seats for MD and MS including diploma was 9814. Okay, and this year is coming around 10824. When I did the comparison for deemed university, it was last year 9 4800 and 4873 last year, and this year is 5091. So we are not able to see big change in the number, hardly 1010 in all India quota seats including all the courses MDMS diploma, MDMS and diploma, and hardly 130 100 and sorry 200 some 20 approx seats incremented as per this matrix in deemed universities. The I couldn't find out the matrix for DNB and NB diploma. Okay, so that's kind of like we were expecting like see the matrix may be different whenever it gets published tomorrow. It was expected to get published today because tomorrow the counseling is starting, but since they had got less time, so they are somehow managing and still got delayed. So tomorrow, if the final seat matrix get published, then we will do again the analysis and comparison with the last year, because it's important to know, because we have been hearing that so many seats are going to get added, new colleges are added up, and seats are getting added in government, private, deemed, everywhere. Okay, but how will be in practical for the round one? If in case the seats are not getting added in big number in round one, there's nothing to get disappointed about. It will get added in second round also, but not after second round. Okay, so as per the current matrix which is on Intra MCC website, the number looks very disappointing. Okay, it's hardly 1200 in deemed, and somewhere we will see in how much increment in DNB and NB diploma. Okay, so in the next video I will present you like how many seats are there branch wise and all. Okay, so that's it from my side, and have a nice day.